Edward Stevenson, TimelessWealth.net, and the following is technical analysis on SkyBridge Technology Group Incorporated, traded under the symbol SKGO. Based on the number of requests I have received regarding this one from members at TimelessWealth.net, it appears that SKGO is one of the more trending and hot plays out in the OTC market at this point in time. Furthermore, what I've been asked to do here is offer some basic technical analysis on the price action concerning SKGO's market, and what I like best about this market is one of my favorite chart patterns being present in this market. That is a potential bottom reversal. What do I mean by that? Let's take a look at this candle right here, where we had a low at 0022. This right here was a camera handle following a short-term downtrend. Typically, this represents a reversal signal. The market collapsed, rather not collapsed, pulled back or retraced to 0022, and towards the latter half of the session, the bulls pushed the price back up to close above this red line, which is the 50-day simple moving average, and has done a great job of supporting the price as of late. And in fact, ever since this rally from 0002 to 009 had occurred. So again, that's this red line right here, the 50-day simple moving average. So this hammer candle right here would represent a potential reversal signal. However, it would need to be confirmed by the following trading session appreciating the market and price. Just that happened coming off of Tuesday's trading session, where the price closed up nearly 14% at 0033. Furthermore, the move was in fact on strength, which is what I like to see. As you can see, the volume that came in on Tuesday's trading session overwhelmed Monday's, and more importantly, some of these smaller volume days that we've seen in the past. So what we like to see is, in the event the price continues moving up and tackling resistance levels, we'd like to see volume to continue growing and making SKGO a liquid market. Some of the questions that members of TimelessWealth.net asked me was whether or not during this time frame, let's assume someone sent me a message right around this trading session right here, this one here, they asked me whether or not the market is in a downtrend. The best way to answer this is yes, it is in a short-term downtrend, because the downtrend is defined by 4 trading sessions right here, these 4 candles. Remember, this is a daily chart, meaning every bar under candle on this chart represents 1 session worth of price action. And furthermore, the fact that the volume increased as the price decreased, which was a bearish signal in the market. However, this downtrend has in theory ended following Tuesday's trading session, which suggests a reversal in trend. That is, an uptrend should follow in theory. Is it guaranteed? No. Nobody knows what will happen in the market. It's unpredictable. It's the game of speculation, if you will. But this is an encouraging sign, especially given the above average volume that came in following Tuesday's trading session. As for a longer term perspective, simply refer to the 200 or 100, even 50-day simple moving average. You can see that overall, all of these averages point to a strong uptrend over the past few months. Take for instance the month of December and how the 200-day simple moving average has progressed. The 100-day simple moving average indicated in white, and even the red 50-day simple moving average that we talked about as being support. All 3 of these moving averages offer support at 29, 16, and 0008 respectively, as well as the lower Bollinger Band, which agrees with the 100-day simple moving average at 0016, and the red one, as we mentioned, the 50-day simple moving average, is the key shorter term supporting level. Very briefly, very quickly here, I'd like to scroll down and give you a secondary opinion on what's going on in the market. So these here are technical indicators, which are primarily based or derived from the price and volume and different combinations of 2 different relationships, whatever, however you like to look at it. Relative Strength Index is one of my favorite ones right here, and I know a lot of people follow this one. As you can see, the market at some point in time did bottom, broke below the 50 level, which supported the price quite well, and it's finally curling back up and trying to break above the 50 level. As you can see, the longer term averages, the 10 and 21, are still just slightly below. However, it appears that if the price does continue appreciating, it won't take more than a few sessions for RSI to show a lot of strength and break into what's known as a breakout zone. Full stochastics today almost displaying a bullish crossover, where this white line is crossing above the red one, not to mention the fact that full stochastics is oversold, being under 20. Money flow index flat, so if we see some very unusual price and volume activity, this will head one way or the other, hopefully north, which will show a lot of strength in the market. So technical indicators are really secondary confirmation to what we're seeing on the chart, price volume wise. I like the relationship here. I like SKGO's chances of tackling resistances. So let's talk about that. So what I've done here to save time is I've just quickly drawn in some resisting levels. The first one I drew in was this one right around here at, that's 003 or so. In any case, the price broke above this once resisting level following Tuesday's trading session, and as resistance levels are broken above, they become supporting ones. So this is yet another level that offers somewhat mild support in the market. Again, I'm not quite sure where that is, but my best guess is 003. As for resistance, we're looking at the 20-day simple moving average at 0044, 0043, which also happens to be the middle Bollinger Band. So I've circled it right here, so you know I'm not making it up. Reference in the top left-hand corner, that'd be this right here. Following which we have resistance at 0049, the 10-day simple moving average. So this blue line right here, and that would also correlate with the high that we saw coming off of this rally right here. You can see that the high, the peak rather, was 0048 there, so that correlates with the 10-day simple moving average currently displaying resistance in the market. As you can see, the last time the price broke above this resisting level was this trading session right here, where this breakout came on above average volume, which was ideal and very encouraging to see in the market. So that's what we'd like to see here, for the price to slowly begin to tackle these resisting levels and hopefully tackle a key level at the 0072 mark, which is the high coming off of this channel right here. So you can see the price consolidate here for quite a while, and actually hadn't closed above it once. This session right here shows that price gapped up, opened above it, but was unable to close above it. So this remains key resistance, which also correlates with a tall Bollinger Band at 0072. So in any event, look for bullish activity in the market, look for the volume to confirm that bullish activity is taking place in the market. I would also encourage you to visit timelesswealth.net and subscribe to my free newsletter for overlooked trading and undervalued investment ideas, where we offer all sorts of educational materials, reading materials, including articles and publications, and all sorts of technical analysis. So definitely give timelesswealth.net a visit. Best of all, it's free to try. Once again, that's timelesswealth.net. Thank you for listening.